Hi all, I'm here to show you a little tool I made to extract SVG images from PDF documents. I made this tool for myself and it was working pretty well, so I thought why not make it into a website to share with a lot of people. So that's what I'm doing now. So the site is called pdf to svgsnippet.com. Pretty self-explanatory what it does, I guess, but on the front page you'll see just basically an explanation of what it is and how to use it, an explanation of what SVG images are, and of course just general information about the website. Each page has a little footer where you can report an issue if there are any issues. As it is a new site as of currently, it might have some problems with some PDFs, as I obviously am not able to test every PDF, but it worked so far pretty well with the stuff that I have tested. So let's have a look at what we can do. So essentially all you're doing is just dragging and dropping a PDF file onto the screen or clicking here to select one from your files. Otherwise, I've got a little button here that allows you to just try this tool with a dummy PDF. That's what I'm going to show off now because it's nice and easy. That will take you to this page. So this would also be the page you'd be taken to if you were to upload your own file. And you can see that the PDF is shown on the screen with a little input here to change the page number. This PDF file has only one page, so it only shows the one. But then you also see a button here to auto select assets from the page, which will automatically get anything that stands out on the page, or we can click and drag to select a custom area. Let's try clicking and dragging to select a custom area. So I might just grab any random part of the page like this, even though it looks slightly off. I'm just testing this to show you what it looks like. If I convert that to an SVG, you can see that it's pasted it. It's shown us the SVG output there. The great thing about this is it's very good for getting very small details in a lossless way. So if I were to get a very small selection, you can see that it will output it in a very crisp and clear way because SVGs are instructions, they're not pixels. So you can see that if there are very small details on a page that I need to enlarge, this will do that very well. The other thing we can do is auto select assets from a page, and I'll click that now. This one will take a little bit longer as it's running an algorithm, but then it will spit out all of the assets on the page that it could recognize. You can see that it's grabbed a logo from the top, the table that was at the bottom, the graph that was pasted there, and then another one that is pretty similar to the previous picture, but of course sometimes it can grab very similar things or can grab things that maybe you don't think is necessary, but that's just the algorithm at work. It's not going to be perfect for all scenarios. So let's have a look. If I were to copy this as SVG, for every single image that is output, you can either copy or download it. If I were to copy it, let's see what that looks like in a Word document. All right, so if I paste this SVG here, you can see that it's very easy to extract an image, an SVG image from a PDF file and then use it in a document of your own making, which is really useful for just making professional looking documents that you don't want to be pixelated anyway. I just enlarged that to show you that again, the quality is preserved without any loss of quality if you were to have to make something bigger. So it worked particularly well for things that appear on the PDF file that are very small and you need to enlarge it, where a snipping tool wouldn't be able to do the same sort of thing. So there you go, that's the tool. I hope it serves you well if you were to use it, and it is free, easy to use, no sign up required. There will be ads soon, but those shouldn't be too invasive. Thank you.